Hi friends, this is Sandy Nagel for Creative Paper Craft. I will leave you with Creative Paper Craft's YouTube channel link in the area right underneath this video, and I hope that you will go ahead and pay her a visit and subscribe to her channel and let her know that Sandy sent you. Not too long ago, I received a paper crafting package goodness from Creative Paper Craft, and it was all Crafter's Companion. Oh my gosh, card kits, dies, stamps, papers, you name it. And I'm going to share with you today some of the projects that I've been able to make with all that crafty goodness. Enjoy the video.